An expository speech is an explanation of how something works or the steps of how to do something. It uses exposition, and we have learned that exposition is one of the forms of discourse. All systematic communication in words is categorized into four main classes, namely exposition, argument, description, and narrative. The purpose of an exposition, according to Fernando Habana and Zinco, is to explain something, develop an idea, or give information. The information may be factual. It can be an explanation of an event, operation, a process, and so on. It may also be an analysis or an objective interpretation of facts. Writing an expository speech follows certain guidelines. Here is a suggested outline for your expository speech. Start with introduction. The introduction should at least consist of three parts. First is getting the attention of the audience. So you can use any strategy. Maybe you can use a realia, a simple and short anecdote, or you can pose a question. This followed by the statement of your topic and purpose. And this is optional. You can give a bird's eye view of your speech. In the body, since you'll be given only the maximum of 2 minutes in your delivery, you should at least have 2 or 3 main ideas. Each main idea is supported by details. Example, I'm going to deliver a speech on why Bicolanos are good learners and speakers of other languages. So maybe I'll focus mainly on the segmental phonemes. So in the body of my outline, I'm going to state 3 main ideas. The first main idea will be the consonant phonemes of Bicol. The second main idea will be the vowel phonemes of Bicol. And the third main idea will be the diphthongs of Bicol. So all in all, I have only 3 main ideas. In the conclusion can be composed of only 2 parts. First is the restatement of the main ideas. Second, the clincher. So you have to clinch your central idea in a memorable way. In the case of my speech, in the first part of the conclusion, I'm going to state the main ideas that Bicol is pregnant with segmental phonemes, specifically consonant phonemes, vowel phonemes, and diphthongs. My clincher will be the richness of Bicol segmental phonemes makes Bicolanos better speakers and learners of